I use steelhead fish for this recipe, guys. And first thing we need to do is sprinkle salt, ground black pepper, and garlic powder before searing the fish. Cut the onions into rings, and we need to separate the big rings to the small one because the small one will just mince it. We will only be using garlic, onions, ground black pepper, salt, soy sauce here, and oyster sauce. So our pan is ready and hot, so we start searing our fish until it's cooked on both sides, nearly cooked, I mean. So after searing the fish, we need to set aside and prepare for the mixture of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and we need also ground black pepper and lemon juice for this sauce. So our sauce is ready. So here are, so we prepare our pan again so that we can cook for 1 minute our onion rings. Just 1 minute, guys. And then set aside. And then in another pan, we saute onion and garlic. Then it's time to add our fish. And now we pour our sauce, the sauce that we made a while ago, the mixture of soy sauce, ground black pepper, oyster sauce, and lemon juice. So let it boil for a few minutes before adding 1/4 cup of water. So make sure to turn over the fish every few minutes so that the taste will be even. We'll just wait, guys, until the sauce will thicken and then gets ready after that. So maybe we will just check the taste if it needs more soy sauce or enough, or you can add more soy sauce, or you can even also add some chili so that there will be some twist in this recipe. If you like spicy food, so you can add chili on this. So as you can see, the sauce is getting so thick. My fish steak is ready. So ready your steamed rice too, guys. Yeah, this is really good if you eat with steamed rice. Yeah, that's why I just cook only two cut of fish, because it's only for me and my husband. So here's my fish steak. Yummy. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, and leave a comment so that I know what's your feedback.